The successful person has an unusual skill at dealing with conflict and ensuring the best outcome for all. This was a quote by a Chinese general, Sun Tzu. We know him for his famous quotes and his generalship. Conflict in any setting is frustrating and uncomfortable. Like anyone else, I wish we lived in a world of complete peace, compliance, agreement. Unfortunately, that's not going to happen. You may avoid conflict in the workplace like a plague, but however, sometimes it will creep on you before you know it. So whether it is customers or employees, that's where you must decide you want to know how to approach the conflict. Learning a conflict management and the way to handle and approach customers especially is very critical for any employee who wants not only his success but the organization that he represents. In our master class on conflict management, you will learn how to approach and solve conflict effectively. Hi, my name is Prakash and I have more than 3 decades of experience in sales and marketing, business development, client servicing, and operational management in a highly competitive, customer-led conflict experiences. And we are going to learn together as to how we should resolve conflict. The best part of this masterclass, it's logical, practical, and easily implementable. So in this masterclass, you will learn what is conflict, what is a disagreement, and what is conflict management. And as we go deeper in the subject, you will understand the types, the causes, the levels of conflict management, and most importantly, the questions that you need to ask before you get into any resolution of conflict management. You will also realize there are various styles of conflict management and which is the right time to use which style. In this masterclass, you will also become aware of your personal engagement style, your behaviors, so that you're in confidence and you're in control of how to resolve any conflict. You will be surprised to know that your repeated use of the same engagement style can label you. So, how to avoid it? You will also learn about how human behavior works and what is a mental iceberg, and how we can use our emotional understanding to make sure that we are able to resolve conflict in a more effective manner. We will also present to you a new lens, a new way, a fresh perspective as to how to look at conflict management. Well, we'll talk about what are positions, what are assumptions, and what are aspirations in conflict management. And finally, you will learn how to approach, prioritize, and solve the conflict. We will also teach you how to minimize the barriers when you are into a conflict management resolution mode. We will also teach you what is self-awareness and its effective use in conflict management. So with all these solutions, with all these processes, we've got many things to share with you. So why don't you join me in this exciting journey and resolve any conflicts that you have, which you're facing it in personal life or as an individual or as a group. So by joining in this masterclass, you will get this exciting journey and you will make yourself very, very confident and apt at resolving this. So I shall see you in this class. Let's take it forward.